Alright, this video is multiplying fractions, and I'm going to call it the multiplying fractions swoosh, just do it video. This is supposed to remind you of like the swoosh, like the just do it from the tennis shoes or whatever. But the reason I call it the multiplying fractions swoosh, just do it, is because multiplying fractions is shockingly easy, and every people, kid people, grown-up people, try to make it harder than it is. So when you're multiplying fractions, I'm just going to write down the steps. Step 1, okay, multiply numerators. Step 2, multiply denominators. And step 3, simplify. And then I'm going to say, that's it. Okay, 3 steps. So let's do a practice problem. Let's say 1/2 times 2/3. Okay, and by now you've learned how to add and subtract fractions fluently, and you know how complicated it is to find common denominators and all that nonsense. So I know your stomach's getting tied up in knots here, but look, just do it. 1 times 2, 2. See? Step 1, multiply numerators. Check. Okay. 2 times 3, 6. Step 2, multiply denominators. Check. Simplify. Both 2 and 6 are even, so they can both be divided by 2. Okay. And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. And there we go. 1/3. Check. Done. And you're like, what? I know. But I'm going to take a minute just because to prove to you that I haven't done something crazy. Okay. So 1/2 times 2/3. Okay. If I have 1/2, okay, so I've got 1/2, okay, and I take that half, and I'm going to have 2/3, okay, so I need 3 equal parts, okay, 1, okay, so I'm going to do the same on the other side, okay, all right, times 2/3, okay, 1/2 times 2/3 becomes, see there was 2 of these thirds, 2, see how that's 2 of the 3 parts of the 1/2, okay, and that just became 1/6, okay, you're not sure that you believe me. I'm sorry, not 1/6, 1/3. See, there's 1/3 of the circle, there's 1/3 of the circle, and there's 1/3 of the circle, and the 2/3 of that 1/2 were also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2/6, and that is the same as 1/3. Okay, and if the little mathematical proof didn't work for you, then don't worry about it. Swoosh. Just do it. Okay, so let's just do one more. I like kind of proving that things are so, but I know sometimes you don't think that's necessary, and that's okay. So let's do 4/5 times 1/8. Okay, 4/5 times 1/8. Step 1, multiply numerators. 4 times 1, 4. Step 2, multiply denominators. 5 times 8, 40. Step 3, simplify. 4 over 40. What can both 4 and 40 be divided by? Well, they both have factors of 4, right? Okay, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 40 divided by 4 is 10. So 4/5 times 1/8 is 1/10. There you go. Swoosh. Just do it.